Hello, this is Randy coming at you. It is December 19th, 2021. And if you have a 6.0 Power Stroke, and if you've been dealing with hard start, meaning it'll cycle through, it'll start, then it'll die. And then you'll cycle it through again, and you'll crank it, and it'll run, blah, blah, and then it'll die. It won't stay running unless it's warmed up, and then it keeps going. Well, I've been looking at this issue for quite a while, and I've done a few things. I changed my gas cap. I needed one. It was broke. The fuel cap, which goes right above your fuel filter, you can see right here, that had a hairline crack in it, and that made me think, hey, it's losing pressure. And then I found out my fuel lines down at my main fuel filter on the frame rail weren't, they had been removed before, but not properly put back on, so that could have lost pressure. So I checked that too. And it's funny, if you have a 6.0 and if you're looking at upgrading it, one of the first things you're going to find is the blue spring kit upgrade. So this is something you can get pretty much anywhere. I chose to get the one that Ford sells. But what you're going to get is you're going to get this new piece right here. You're also going to get the new gasket that goes in here. That gasket often leaks. You're going to get a new O-ring that actually screws right into that as far as hooking up your fuel line. And you're going to get a spring. So it's a little bit longer, has a little more pressure on it. This builds your fuel pressure up. So the O3s and O4s have this little guy right here that breaks sometimes. And this is a really easy fix as far as an upgrade, just so you know. And I'll put a video that I watched in the link. But you're beyond 05 to 08, they're not going to have that. And then right here, this is the problem, right? When I looked at this really close when I was doing this, I got pretty excited because you see that O-ring was broken. And what was happening is my fuel bowl was draining. So if I, hard start in the morning, I would go to work and get it going. And then even if I'd fire it up at maybe 4 in the afternoon, it would start back up. But if this thing sat overnight, all the pressure was draining off. This is an easy fix. I really recommend you try it. What I found, shops, what they're going to do is they're going to read codes and just throw parts at it, whether it's a new thickum or a new glow plug relay unit. It really comes down to there can't be any air in the system. And this little O-ring right here was causing me to lose pressure. I hope this works. I hope it helps. Good luck. 6.0 is not a terrible engine. It's just got some quirks. They got a lot of power. Thanks for watching. This is Randy. I'm out.